Hello! Today we will review the game BigHead made by Overtiger team for Global Game Jam 25. The theme of 25 was a little bit confusing. It was bubbles and we tried to focus a meaningful way of bubbles. So we choose the living in a bubble phrase to explain in our game actually. So let's start. Some illnesses, stresses, obsesses, responsibilities could be hard for a person to fight in this life. So with spacebar, VASD keys or these cactus mans, you need to be careful to save your bubble. Also, you need to save your bullets, because at the boss level you will need more bubbles. So it's about fragility or stinginess level, also your ADHD level. You have to control yourself and find the door on the game. This game is a demo game. We couldn't finish in 2 days because it has a logical background, but when you can collect your soap, water, and try to reach boss level, this makes the main logic of the game. After reaching the door, you will see the boss, and it has some states. We write a few states for that boss, but they are not finished, so we will see just one state here. And when you get rid of the boss, you are winning the game. This is the last part of our game. Yes, this is the end of our game. I want to thank my teammates Lale, Yusuf and Talha. Even they don't have a lot of experience on game development, Lale and Yusuf tried their best, and it was a very good experience to join GGJ with them. Also, I want to thanks to Talha for his work. That's it. Hope to see you in another video, guys.